President Mallikarjun Kharge and Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi will be addressing the gathering there at the Ram Leela Maidan in the national capital. We're learning that top leaders including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, KC Venugopal, Jairam Ramesh, DK Shivkumar among others will also be participating in this rally. At least 4,000 Congress workers from Karnataka have descended onto the Ram Leela Maidan and there are thousands of people there at the spot right now. The Congress party claims that it has collected over 5 crore signatures and will be submitting a memorandum to the President of India soon.
नहीं वंदे मातरम और SIR पे तो एक्रिमोनियस चर्चा हुई और मुझे तो काफी अच्छा लगा क्योंकि दोनों डिबेट्स में हमने मतलब धजियां उड़ा दी उनकी। आपने अमित शाह को देखा होगा, डिस्टर्ब गाली तक दे दी सदन में, तो मेंटली डिस्टर्ब थे, प्रेशर में थे और उसका रीजन है क्योंकि वो वोट चोरी में मतलब पूरा का पूरा ढांचा इन्वॉल्व है, वो तो पूरा देश जानता है। तो डिबेट पोल्यूशन पे वैसा एक्रिमोनियस डिबेट नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये एक प्रकार से नेशनल इमरजेंसी है जो हमारे बड़े सिटीज हैं।
हर जगह जो वोट चोरी करके चोरी की सरकार है, इसको हम लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं, ये जो आज सत्ता पे बैठी है ये चोरी की सरकार है। ये लोग इनको चुने नहीं, ये लोग अपने आप को दबंग के जैसा सब कानून को अलग करके ये बेकानून सरकार है।
Let me go across to my colleague Kritika, who's there at the Ram Leela Maidan getting us the latest. Kritika will come to the politics part in just some time. Could you show us what is happening there at the Ram Leela Maidan? We're learning that in just some time, Kharge as well as Rahul Gandhi will be addressing the crowd.
Well, yes, the rally is supposed to begin shortly and we're reporting from right inside the Ram Leela Maidan. Behind me, you can see the main dais has been set up. That is where on the ramparts of which we're seeing about multiple, in fact, signatures. 5 crore was the target to gather these many signatures against the vote chori narrative that is being professed by the Congress party, and all of that is lying down here. Remember, an idea also of the Congress is to later, in a memorandum, hand this over to the President of India as well in order to bring more light to this issue. Currently where we are, about 1 lakh supporters, Congress party workers and supporters are expected to join this rally. Currently we can still see a few seats empty, but it is expected that as and when the time gets closer to the entrance of the bigger leaders here, we will see that those seats will also be picked in. Continuously announcements are being made for the smooth flow of people in. A number of gates are also being closed as and when those sections are getting filled up. All across you can also see posters. Janadesh ki chori nahi sahenge, will not tolerate the stealing of the mandate. These are the major posters that have been put inside the Ram Leela Maidan as of the moment. Also cutouts of Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and KC Venugopal also all across in this year rally. Remember, DK Shivkumar, Siddaramaiah, they're all expected to lead the protest, lead the rally here. A more emphasis will be paid on the entire vote chori, even as BJP continues to allege that Congress does not have the facts to back their claims. This is what BJP has been saying, in fact, from day one, from the very first press conference that Rahul Gandhi had did about the alleged stealing of votes in the Mahadevapura constituency in Bangalore, Karnataka. Since that day, BJP has been asking the Congress party to file in an affidavit in order to back their claims, and the lack of this by the BJP is being seen as a lack of concrete evidence of the allegations that the Congress party makes. The Congress party has also been in fact saying that this is not a one-time event, this has been happening, and it is only now that the expose is coming to light as far as Congress is concerned. But remember, we're seeing a lot of politics over not just the entire narrative but also today about the rally as well. Earlier there were visuals, there were videos of in fact Congress supporters who were making anti-Prime Minister slogans well. This again is a continuation of the multiple instances wherein such slogans have also been made, and a lot of heat Congress parties are also facing because of the same. Remember, allegations against the Prime Minister being made at a Congress event is not new, but slogans of this sort that Kabar Khudegi is something that again Congress party has indulged in time and time again. So it remains to be seen whether such sloganeering will also be addressed at today's rally or not. Over to you.
Absolutely. So it remains to be seen what Rahul Gandhi as well as Mallikarjun Kharge they have to say when they address the gathering there, because this won't be the first time that they will be coming out in public and will be speaking about vote chori allegation. For more on this, let me also go across to my colleague Mohit, who tracks BJP for us. Mohit, time and again BJP has said that when the Congress party loses an election, they either blame it on the EVM or the vote chori allegation that they come up with. But they must introspect and speak about the leadership issue in the party as well. So take us through the latest as far as the BJP is concerned when it comes to this mega rally in the national capital.
Well, Akansha, first of all, I'll show our viewers around here. The Congress party workers in huge numbers have gathered at Ram Leela Maidan. Now, you see, this is the narrative, this is an issue which is very close to Rahul Gandhi. He has addressed 3 press conferences on this particular issue. He has said that vote chori has happened in Bihar, he has said in Karnataka, in Haryana, in Maharashtra, and perhaps that is why it was incumbent upon the other Congress leaders to bring in, various people for this particular rally. All the leaders from various states were assigned this task to bring people for this rally to make it a success. But the BJP says that instead of introspection, instead of finding flaws with the strategy of the Congress party, a narrative to demean our constitutional organization like Election Commission, a narrative to insult Election Commission and our democracy, such rally is being planned. Now, one interesting aspect is that just a day before this particular rally yesterday, we saw Ashwani Kumar, senior Congress leader, former Union Law Minister, coming out saying that and in a way busting this particular theory of vote chori and EVM of the Congress party by saying that if you win elections in the state of Karnataka, Himachal and Telangana, you form government, and next year if you lose elections, you blame the EVMs or the machinery, then you have no moral right to make those allegations. So that is what the BJP says, that when you win the elections, specifically in the states of Karnataka, Himachal or in Telangana, you say the EVMs are perfect, the Election Commission is working perfectly, but when you lose, you raise questions on the Election Commission, and that is where the BJP is hitting out at the rally of the Congress party. And also various Congress leaders, in fact, Akansha, they have come out and they have stated that Congress party needs to introspect that how the ground leaders are completely cut off from the top leadership, and we saw that Shakil Ahmed and the Odisha MLA and also Ashwani Kumar has raised questions that how the ground leadership has no connect with Rahul Gandhi, and also how youth are completely disconnected with Rahul Gandhi. But then this is an issue which seems that Rahul Gandhi will not let go of, and perhaps that is why you can see how huge cutouts of Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, KC Venugopal have been put in over here. Now specifically, all the state leaders were assigned this task to ensure that there is a huge gathering over here at Ram Leela Maidan. And if my camera person Mohan can pan towards the main stage, that is the main stage over here, which calls that a Vishal rally against vote chori, and the name is Vote Chor Gaddi Chor, and we can see that how exactly more than 5 crore signatures against vote chori they have been put near the stage. So clearly, as we speak, in the narrative that is being built up by the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi from past many elections, it seems that they are not letting go of it. They will be attacking the Election Commission today also. They will be attacking the SIR. So we have to wait and watch what exactly Rahul Gandhi will say, because Rahul Gandhi has addressed press conference. He has said that vote chori has happened in Haryana. He has also said vote chori has happened in Karnataka, in Maharashtra. Right. So this is the narrative that the Congress party is pushing, while the BJP says that instead of introspecting, Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party are demeaning and insulting constitutional institutions like Election Commission. Back to you.
Absolutely. In fact, the issue was raised during the Bihar election as well, and that did not really reflect in the vote of the Congress party. And then the issue was also raised in the Parliament of India. Then we saw a debate there, which the government government also agreed to. And now in Ramlila Maidan in the national capital, will that resonate in the vote of the Congress party later in the upcoming election is something that is remain to be seen. But we have reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Have a look.
जो इलेक्शन कमीशन जो घपला किया है चुनावों में, बहुत बड़ा रैली होने जा रहा है। ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, हम सबके नेता राहुल गांधी जी, प्रियंका गांधी जी और हमारे नेता सोनिया गांधी जी भी शामिल होंगे इस रैली में। खासतौर हरियाणा में जो चुनाव में 0.5% में हम लोग चुनाव हारे हैं, 8 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में 23,000 वोट का चोरी करके ये लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिताया है। इलेक्शन कमीशन जो निष्पक्ष रहना था वो नहीं है, वो बीजेपी का एक विंग बन गया है उसको जिताने के लिए। उसका विरोध में बहुत बड़ा प्रदर्शन हम लोग करने जा रहा है और इसके बाद हम लोग राष्ट्रपति को जो एक आवेदन देना है और सिग्नेचर भी कलेक्ट किया है, 5 करोड़ सिग्नेचर राष्ट्रपति भवन में राष्ट्रपति को मिलकर सौंप देंगे।